welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Vlog number 3 on the channel. It's cold, it's foggy, moist, uncomfortable, it's nasty outside. So I got a couple things I gotta do. I gotta go run and get a micro SD card. I also want to find my drone because I just love this damn thing, if you couldn't tell. But there is something that I want to talk to y'all about. I gotta do these things first. It's unfortunate, but I got to. So the reason that I'm making this video will be coming up here very, very shortly. Just hang tight, okay? Just chill. Good old Chicago. Gotta love it. Got to love it. Now, a lot with becoming a better fisherman depends on, the area that you fish. And I think that I am pretty blessed with my area. That being Chicago, they have a great lake right there. They've also got a lot of southern and northern lakes that are very, very good, to say the least. It's a very cool urban environment. You've got ruins some places, abandoned buildings, stuff like that. And you've also got huge skyscrapers and real old churches with awesome architecture and stuff like that. So it's just a really cool place to fish. Very urban if you like that kind of stuff, which I do. From my location, I think I'm very, very lucky to be in a very cool and unique spot. So that's all part of is becoming a better fisherman is, learning that body of water that you fish, learning what the times are good, what they eat, stuff like that. And that really helps shape a really good fisherman. So in the 2020 year, I'm going to try to get a lot better at learning this huge body of water that is right next to me. So my goals for the 2020 season are as followed. I guess I'll start off with the cliche goal that pretty much everybody has, and that would be break my personal best. I feel like everybody kind of wants to do this, and rightfully so. I mean, it's always fun catching a big bass, especially when it's your personal best. And that feeling alone, when you hook onto a fish and you see and when you feel that it's your personal best, is gonna be pretty crazy. But that's always a goal of mine every year. That's always a goal of mine every time I go out, actually, is to break my personal best. I think it's very doable. That's something that I am going to strive for this upcoming season. I'd also love to grow my channel, continuously doing things that I think are going to grow my channel. Shooting for 1,500 by the end of 2020, I think that's very doable, actually, and I'm gonna grind and push myself continuously to achieve that goal. Speaking of YouTube channels, another thing I want to do that would help me grow my YouTube channel is do as many collabs with other YouTubers as possible. I've already done some collabs with a couple guys, couple good buddies, and I'm going to continuously try to do that with new people as well as the old people. I'm not just collabing once and then I'm done. I'm going to, fish with them, but I also want to see if I can find anybody else maybe around my area or anything like that to kind of collab with, or anybody from any area, honestly. So that's one of my goals that I'm gonna see if I can't hit this 2020 season. And another goal is to continuously come up and evolve with ways of becoming a better YouTuber and widen my eyes is what content on this channel could be like. There's no cap for me. There's no highest level that I'm trying to reach. I just continuously try to get better and better. Hopefully that shows. If you guys have been around for like the past year, hopefully that shows a little bit on my channel, and I'm just going to continue to try to get better and better. Thank you for the support, because you guys are the ones that are helping me get better and better. So I'm going to end off the video here, and I will catch you guys later. Just a reminder, January 23rd and the 24th, Thursday and Friday, I'm going to be at that Chicagoland Fishing and Travels Outdoor Expo along with a whole bunch of other people. Guys, slide through, you buy your tickets now. They're not even that expensive, so I hope to see you guys there. I'm working at that Cast Group booth on Thursday, booth 420. Stop by if you can. Much appreciated. Hang out with me and the guys. And then I'm coming back Friday to probably buy a couple last minute things. So if you guys can make it, awesome. You know where I'll be, and I will be filming, so there will be some informational videos coming out for you guys shortly after that. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of Southside Fishing. Thank you for the view.